You don't like it either, do you, little girl? This one's done cooking. Done intimidating. Now this one's in her garage. My mom's still in her car over there. Just scared to come in her own fucking house because it's fucking poisoned by our neighbors. Does that make you people feel good to run an old lady out of her house? Yeah, there she is walking around. It's just the saddest, pathetic group of fucking perpetrators I've ever seen. You think you can intimidate me? With your chemical attacks and your fucking peeping in my fucking windows? You're too chicken shit to come in here. Oh, there goes her friend. Well, you gonna go attack my mom? See how fucking small your dick really is. Twacked out of her fucking mind. Oh, where the fuck did my mother go? She fucking run her out of her sitting in the car too. Who the fuck preys on innocent women like this? Jesus fucking Christ. There she is. Make me